Hi everyone. So this wig was gifted to me from the Wig Company for review. This is an unboxing. This is the first time I'm seeing this wig. I did choose this wig. This color and style is out of my comfort zone, but I really did think it was such a pretty color and style, I wanted to try it. So now we're going to shake it out. When you get a new wig out of the box, you want to get the fibers up off of the cap. I'm going to move the adjusters. The circumference of my head is 22.5, which is an average large. This wig fits me great. It has plenty of stretch. This is really pretty. But once again, I don't typically wear bangs, so this is very new for me. Now we're going to comb through it. I'm trying to see where it's going to part. It's kind of hard just looking into the camera. I love this color. It is so pretty. Now I like to spray my wigs with distilled water because where I live the water is hard and I don't like the buildup that I get on my wigs, so I always use distilled. I like to spray synthetic wigs after I get them to sort of reset the style since they've been sitting in a box and traveling. This wig would easily go into a ponytail. It's a really good density. A low pony, that is. Here's your front. It has a very small lace front and a lace part. You don't need a full lace front when you have bangs like this. And it makes the wig a lot more affordable, not paying for something you really don't need. So let's look at the cap. There is the tiniest bit of permatease here just to support the style, nothing major. And there you have your little parting space and extended nape. You've got Velcro adjusters. This wig feels pretty light. And here's your parting space. It's very, very good. You don't see any knots or grid. And the front is great too. Oh, this color is so pretty. Now here it is on my mannequin. I'm just trying to show you a little bit better. And now we're going to take a look at it outside in some natural light. These little face framing pieces that hang down, if you put this in a low pony, it would look really cute. So now we're back to the bangs, which I'm struggling with. Again, not a big bang girl. I have a hot air brush, and even though this is not heat friendly, if you're very careful and you keep it moving, you can sort of shape it a little bit. And there it is. This is all I did while it was damp, and you want to just keep it moving and keep in mind that it will sort of set in the cooling process. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, I wouldn't do it. Keep in mind, as I said, that this is not heat friendly. This is a beautiful wig, and thank you so much to the Wig Company for sending it to me for review. Here are a few pictures, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.